Pag-IBIG Loyalty Card Plus is definitely a must-have pag Pag-IBIG Fund member ka. In this video, I'll talk about the reasons why you need to have a Loyalty Card Plus if you are a Pag-IBIG Fund member at meron kang MP2 account. And then, isi-share ko din yung mga requirements and steps kung paano makakuha ng Loyalty Card Plus at kung paano i-register ang Loyalty Card Plus sa Hello Pag-IBIG. 4 reasons why you need to have a Loyalty Card Plus. Unang-una, ang Loyalty Card Plus is your official Pag-IBIG ID. So bring it with you kapag meron kang transactions na gagawin sa Pag-IBIG branch. So hindi ka nahahanapan ng 2 valid IDs pag meron ka na nito. And then mas madali ding mag-withdraw ng matured MP2 savings mo pag meron kang Loyalty Card Plus. Second, pwede mo ring gamitin ang Loyalty Card Plus as a cash card. Pwede mo matanggap ang proceeds na iyong Pag-IBIG Multipurpose Loan, annual MP2 dividends, and other benefits through this card. And pwede mo ring gamitin ang iyong Loyalty Card Plus to create your virtual Pag-IBIG account para ma-monitor mo ang contributions mo and transactions mo online. And you can enjoy exclusive discounts and rewards on your grocery purchases, hospital bills, fuel expenses, restaurant bills, and many more from more than 300 partner establishments nationwide. Here are some of its partners and the benefits na pwede mong i-avail pag meron kang Loyalty Card Plus. So visit nyo lang yung Pag-IBIG Fund website to check ang updated partner establishments ng Pag-IBIG Fund nationwide. Ito naman ang mga requirements to get a Loyalty Card Plus. You must be a Pag-IBIG Fund member. You must also be an active Pag-IBIG member. To be considered active member, kailangan updated ang iyong regular Pag-IBIG contribution. So dapat may hulog na contribution ang P1 account mo in the last 6 months. Kailangan mo ring magdala ng 2 valid IDs, original and photocopy for proper identification. Bring cash. So may babayaran na 125 pesos. So walang GCash or e-wallet payment. Kasi nakasabay kong kumuha, wala siyang dalang cash. Kaya naghanap pa siya ng ATM para makapag-withdraw ng pera. 5 steps to apply for a Loyalty Card Plus. Kailangan mo pumunta sa any Pag-IBIG branch to apply for a Loyalty Card Plus. Kasi hindi pwede mag-apply online. Kailangan nilang kuhanan ka ng biometrics at picture. Limited lang daw ang card, so kailangan maaga kang pumunta sa branch. Sa Petron Mega Plaza branch ako nagpunta sa Makati kasi konti lang ang tao doon. Kaya mabilis akong nakakuha ng card. Fill out the Loyalty Card Plus application form. Pwede mo rin ma-download ang form sa Pag-IBIG website. Kaya pwede sa bahay ka na lang mag-fill out ng form, then dalhin mo na lang sa Pag-IBIG. And then submit mo yung application form together with a photocopy of your 2 valid IDs. You will also be asked to show yung original copy of the IDs. Then bayaran mo na rin yung 125 pesos. And then have your photo and biometrics taken. Last step is confirm your details as shown on the computer monitor. You will immediately receive your Pag-IBIG Loyalty Card Plus. So sa akin, mga 15 minutes lang ang inabot. And make sure to change your PIN upon receiving your card for your security. Pag nakuha mo na ang iyong Loyalty Card Plus, next step is for you to connect your new Loyalty Card Plus to bank. Next, I will show you how to register your new Loyalty Card Plus to Hello Pag-IBIG by AUB. So, specific ito for Loyalty Card Plus na powered by AUB. First, download mo ang Hello Pag-IBIG app sa phone mo. Tap register and then read the data privacy and consent declaration. Prepare your Loyalty Card Plus and prepare for a selfie. Yung registration will take 3 to 5 minutes. Tap next. This is for AUB Pag-IBIG card only. Take a front photo of your Loyalty Card Plus. Then tap next. Read the reminders. Tap proceed. And then take a photo of your Loyalty Card Plus. Tap next. Take a selfie photo. Tap next. Read the reminder, then proceed. And then take a selfie. Then tap next. fill out your personal details. Then set your password. Different email detected daw. Yes, use this email, then tap next. Next step is verify your mobile number. Pina-verify din ang email address. Next step is enter mo yung ATM PIN, then validate. Last step, tap sign. Accept the terms and conditions, then submit. Ayan. So, pwede ka na mag-login sa Hello Pag-IBIG app. Basahin mo yung data privacy consent form, then tap I agree. Pwede mo ring ma-enable ang Face ID settings para mas mabilis mag-login. Here are the features of Hello Pag-IBIG app. Pwede ka rin palang magbayad ng MP2 contributions mo dito sa Pay Bills for free. Monthly account limit is 500,000 pesos. Pwede ring mag-change ng PIN dito pero hindi pa naka-activate sa akin. Registration ko is still for approval. So, hindi ko pa magamit ang mga features ng Hello Pag-IBIG app. That's all for today. Like and share na rin para makatulong din sa iba.